Hi everyone, this is tourist cities around the world. I would like to share with you different sites. In this case, I have two sites for you can visit. This is the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is the longest wall in the world. This is in the Chisney national symbol. It was built by many families in the course of the several years. We had Taj Mahal, India. The beautiful landmark took 16 years to be built. Emperor Shah Jahan with his wife after 3 years. Nowadays, many people visit to picture, especially couple. In my opinion, I recommended going to Taj Mahal because I think it is cheaper, more interesting, and more romantic. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.